Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to grow your income and achieve financial freedom? Today, I want to share with you some insights from one of the most influential personal finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki's book challenges many of the traditional beliefs about money and investing. He argues that the key to financial success is not a high income or a fancy job title, but rather a mindset shift that emphasizes asset ownership, passive income, and financial education. So let's break down some of the main principles that can help you grow your income and build wealth. Focus on assets. The first principle is to focus on assets, not liabilities. Kiyosaki defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out of your pocket. Examples of assets include stocks, real estate, businesses, and intellectual property, while liabilities include credit card debt, car loans, and mortgages on your primary residence. One way to grow your income is to invest in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties. By owning a rental property, you can collect rent every month and use that income to pay off the mortgage and other expenses. Over time, the property can appreciate in value and provide a source of long-term wealth. Take calculated risks. Kiyosaki argues that in order to build wealth, you need to be willing to take calculated risks. This means making informed decisions about investments and businesses, and being willing to take calculated risks in order to achieve your financial goals. Surround yourself with successful people. According to Kiyosaki, your social circle has a major impact on your financial success. He suggests surrounding yourself with successful, motivated people who will challenge you and help you grow. This can include mentors, business partners, and other professionals in your industry. Focus on passive income. The second principle is to focus on passive income, not active income. Active income is income earned from a job or a business that requires your time and effort. Passive income, on the other hand, is income earned from assets that generate money without your active involvement. One way to create passive income is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. When you own a share of a stock, you become a part owner of the company and are entitled to a portion of the profits. Many companies pay dividends to their shareholders on a regular basis, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Focus on financial education. The third principle is to focus on financial education. Kiyosaki argues that our school systems teach us very little about money and investing, and that we need to educate ourselves if we want to achieve financial success. One way to improve your financial education is to read books and articles about personal finance and investing. According to various studies, personal reading can be a highly effective method for improving financial literacy and making better financial decisions. A study by the National Endowment for Financial Education found that individuals who reported reading personal finance books had higher levels of financial knowledge and were more likely to save and plan for retirement than those who did not read such books, and a survey by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found that people who regularly read financial news were more likely to have emergency savings, a retirement plan, and a budget. Overall, these statistics suggest that personal reading can be an effective way to improve financial literacy and make better financial decisions. Whether it's reading books, news articles, or financial magazines, incorporating personal finance reading into your routine can have a positive impact on your finances. You can also attend seminars, take courses, or hire a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions about your money. To educate yourself in financial success, here are some tips. Read books. Start by reading books on finance and investing. Some good ones to start with are The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and of course, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Attend seminars and workshops. Many financial advisors offer free or low-cost workshops and seminars to help educate people on financial planning and investing. Attend these events to learn more and get your questions answered. Take online courses. There are many online courses available that can teach you the basics of investing and financial planning. Find a mentor. Look for someone who is financially successful and ask them to be your mentor. This person can help guide you and provide you with valuable advice and insights based on their own experiences. Practice what you learn. Once you have educated yourself on financial success, start putting what you learn into practice. Open a savings account, create a budget, and start investing in stocks or other assets. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you will become with your finances. One success story of someone who followed Robert Kiyosaki's advice is that of Papasan. Papasan was working as an editor for a small publishing company when he read Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Inspired by the book, he began investing in real estate with his wife, Wendy. They purchased a duplex with a 3.5% down payment and began renting it out. Over time, they purchased more properties and started a real estate investment company, Papasan Properties Group. Today, Papasan is a successful author, speaker, and co-author of the best-selling book, The One Thing, which has sold over 1.5 million copies worldwide. His success in real estate and entrepreneurship can be attributed in part to Kiyosaki's teachings on financial education and investing. Another success story is that of Todd Tresidder is a prime example of someone who followed the principles of financial education laid out in Rich Dad, Poor Dad and achieved financial success. After years of working as a hedge fund manager and building a successful financial coaching business, Todd retired at the age of 35 with a net worth of over $1.5 million. Todd's story began with his decision to take control of his financial future and educate himself on the principles of wealth creation. He began reading books and studying successful investors and entrepreneurs. He also became a dedicated student of Rich Dad, Poor Dad and implemented the principles outlined in the book in his own life. One of the key principles Todd learned was the importance of building passive income streams. He began investing in real estate and started a website focused on financial education, which ultimately became a successful coaching business. Todd's success story is a testament to the power of financial education and taking action on what you learn. By following the principles outlined in Rich Dad, Poor Dad and taking action to build passive income streams, Todd was able to achieve financial freedom at a relatively young age. Educating yourself on financial success is not just about increasing your income, but also about managing it effectively. By following the principles outlined in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving financial freedom. Remember, the road to financial success is not always easy, but it is worth it. It requires discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn and make mistakes. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can build the wealth and lifestyle you desire. Start by taking small steps, such as tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and investing in your financial education. Seek out resources such as books, online courses, and financial advisors to help you along the way. And remember to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and values. At the end of the day, financial success is not just about the numbers. It's about living a life of purpose and fulfillment, and having the resources to support your passions and dreams. So go out there, take action, and start building your path to financial success. In conclusion, financial success is attainable for anyone who is willing to learn, take action, and persist through challenges. By following the principles outlined in Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and learning from successful individuals like Todd Tresidder, you too can achieve financial independence and live the life of your dreams. Remember to always invest in yourself, seek out opportunities to learn and grow, and take calculated risks to reach your financial goals. And I wish you all the best on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on personal finance.